Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tutorialify. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change color of image in Canva. To change the color of an image in Canva, open your Canva application and then make sure to log into your account. Now go ahead and open up a recent design or create a new design and add a picture in it. Once you do that, select your image you would like to change the color on. I'm just going to select this image from this page. After selecting the image, go to the bottom menu and click on Filters. In the filters, you can choose from various filters like Vivid, Soft, Vintage, Mono, Color Pop, etc. Choose any one option and select from the subcategory as well. And once you select one of these filters, you will notice the color change of the overall image. After selecting the filter, tap on it once again in order to adjust the intensity of the selected filter. Use the white slider and drag it left or right in order to increase or decrease the intensity of the selected filter. So after you do that, you can save your changes, or you can also explore around with other filter options in order to change the color of your image. So that's how it's easily done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Tutorialify for more Canva tips and tricks. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.